Hey everyone, I'm Patrick from Oakland Travel, and welcome to St. Augustine, Florida. This was November of 2020. We're there on vacation for about a week. So it's late afternoon, you can see the sun starting to set, and lucky for us, there were quite a few dolphins out here. So for this first part of the cruise, before the sun really sets, we're just out here kind of taking in the dolphins and getting a little bit of a history too about the area from some of the guides that are driving the boat. If you like that cruising and travel lifestyle, consider subscribing to our channel with the notification bell on so you don't miss any of the vlog episodes that we put up on the channel similar to this one. We also put up shorts on a daily basis, plus we go live every Wednesday night for the cruise and travel discussion. If you want to show your support for the channel, hit the like button on this video.
Hey, it is Friday night. Yeah.
They want to also be on the tour with AJ.
So as we're getting this dolphin encounter here, I just want to point out beyond at our 1 o'clock, you can see the tallest and oldest brick structure in St. Augustine. That's the St. Augustine Lighthouse. It was built in 1874. Now, whether you know about boating or not, you'd imagine that the lighthouse should be by the inlet, right? Well, back in 1874, the inlet was down there, but it got filled in with storms and hurricanes since then. Now, this is the only way in St. Johns County to get offshore. If you want to go offshore, the next way to the north is about 40 miles. That's where the Mayport Naval Station is, and the St. Johns River empties out into the ocean. Or about 20 miles to the south is where the Matanzas River breaks away to the east. And that's the Matanzas Inlet. That's the last inlet in Florida that's not been dredged or tampered with. This last natural inlet in the state.
This is their bank.
So we do have a really high number here. And these dolphins up here, these are not bottlenose at 11 o'clock. At least one of them is a striped dolphin.
Yeah, I saw that one.
You saw that one, AJ? Yeah, so that's a different species. So that also costs extra. I'm just kidding. But look at this one. If it comes back up, probably around our 12 o'clock. Striped dolphins are usually offshore. They're much thinner. These dolphins are living here real stocky and short. This striped dolphin has a much darker dorsal side, and then it has like a silverish stripe that comes up. And it comes with a paintbrush stripe that comes up just to the backside of the dorsal fin. It's a silvery gray color. Oh, that guy's got a mullet. If I know that. Alright, well cool. This is like more than we see on wildlife tours, so. If you guys have questions, feel free to shout it out. Right ahead of us. But I'm just going to try, they like music, they like reggae, I'm just going to try some on. Enjoy it.
Yeah, man. Play the reggae.
Everybody loves Bob.
Look at it, right there.
Nice.
Woo! That was cold as reggae.
I did.
We had a heck of a male was trying to grab a female out of a pod, and all the females were fighting. It was unreal. Like for Marcel, they get excited because so when we get excited, he knows. It's something you don't really see.
That's something you go run offshore to try to find dolphins. Really? Wow, yeah, they're right. Wow. Amateurs. Yeah, really. This time coming back? Yeah.
So this is like really unusual.
This time of year it's unusual. Yeah. But like, we have blue tonight. The tide is even higher.
A little bit of wind, a little bit of rain.
I couldn't video Carly. Told her we're doing like podcast turning He just flaps his tail. See that? He just like kind of flaps the tail. Fin. Remember what they said in Key West? She was like, if he does that, then he's pissed. He wants us to go away. Right? They're like, excuse me. That's a good question. Taking care of business over here.
Well, there's a bunch of them out there.
Yeah, we don't need to go to the lighthouse or downtown. This is all we need. This is all we need. Oh, yeah. So you